Hello there. I don't have much time to talk.
That's okay, doctor. I am glad you were able to take some time to listen to me talk about Seroquel.
Oh, yes. Did you bring me some samples?
Yes, I have samples in the car. I also brought you some sandwiches for lunch.
Oh, good. Are you done now? Can you leave?
No, I need to tell you about the latest indications for Seroquel.
Okay, well, make it quick. I have some patients waiting for me.
As you know, Seroquel is indicated for a number of psychiatric conditions, including schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, bipolar depression, unipolar depression, anxiety, insomnia, PTSD, panic disorder, antisocial personality disorder, borderline personality disorder, anorexia, bulimia, ADHD, alcohol dependence, fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue syndrome, complex regional pain syndrome, chronic pain, seizures, pseudoseizures, erectile dysfunction, Munchausen syndrome, and chronic diarrhea.
I sometimes use it for schizophrenia.
We would like you to consider it for all of your other patients, too.
Did you say I can use it to treat depression?
Why, yes. Yes, it is very helpful in depression. It is the best antidepressant available today.
But you've been talking about this drug for years and you never said anything about it for depression.
That's because last week we had one positive trial with 10 patients that showed that 2 of them did better with Seroquel.
How many trials did you need to conduct to get a positive result?
That's not important. But 2 patients got better with Seroquel. That's fantastic.
Many of my patients read about Seroquel XR on the internet or see it on TV. How is Seroquel XR different from Seroquel?
I am very glad you asked, doctor. You are a very observant doctor. That's why I like calling on you. Anyway, Seroquel XR is an entirely different drug.
But isn't it the same molecule?
No, it is an entirely different drug and it is the best medication in the world. Our studies show that it is 50 times better than Seroquel.
Are there any side effects of Seroquel XR?
Well, my supervisor told me to tell you that there is a possibility of weight gain, fatigue, and high blood sugar with Seroquel. But there are absolutely no risks with Seroquel XR because it is a brand new drug and it is the best drug in the world.
But should I still use regular Seroquel?
No, because we now believe that Seroquel doesn't work at all. We think everyone should take Seroquel XR, which is much better. And it can't be abused.
Do people abuse Seroquel?
That's not important.
Well, thank you for visiting. I really must go now.
Okay, but before I go, I want to invite you to a dinner at a fancy restaurant where a very famous doctor will tell you all about Seroquel XR and how it is an entirely new drug and how you should use it in all of your patients and stop prescribing Seroquel.
Thank you for the invitation. I will think about it.
Thank you for your time, doctor. And remember, if you see a patient, you should prescribe Seroquel XR to him or her.